name's Kelly D'Angelo. I've been with the Baltimore refinery for 12 years, and I'm the refinery manager. The Baltimore refinery produces about 6.5 million pounds of sugar every day. We ship 33,000 trucks out of the refinery every year. In a single year, we produce about 1.5 billion pounds of sugar. The sign was erected in 1951. It's 120 feet by 70 feet, which is actually larger than a regulation basketball court. The dot on the I is approximately 6 feet tall, and the D on the Domino stands about 40 feet tall. The sign itself has about 650 neon tubes. And because it's just such a staple in Baltimore and people recognize the sign, we make it a point to keep up with the maintenance. The sign takes about 30 kilowatts of power to light up. We have solar panels that are on site that generate more power than required to light up the sign. I think the surprising trivia about the sign is really what's underneath the sign, right? And that we have a building facility here that's operated for almost the last 95 years in the city of Baltimore that provides nearly 500 jobs to people in Baltimore. When I drove down 95 coming back to Baltimore for the first time, it was in the evening, and one of the first things I look for is the sign. So people recognize the sign, they recognize the refinery, and although maybe people think that we don't do anything here, again, we're fully operational, and again, only getting busier.